Niger Senate don sharply condemn the wicked killing of over 200 people for Yelwata community inside Goma local government area for Benue State, plus the killing of 12 others for Mangu local government area of Plateau State. The Red Chamber tok say the attacks wey happen for June 18 and June 21 na pure terrorist attack and part of one big planned violence wey dey spread. Senators don call for serious federal action to stop the killing wey dey scatter peace and security for the country. Senator Titus Zam, wey dey represent Benue Northwest, na im raise the motion about Yelwata massacre under matter of urgent national importance during one emotional plenary session. Senator Zam talk from im heart and im words touch plenty senators. Senator Victor Ume, wey dey represent Anambra Central, and other senators join mouth call for sharp and strong action. Senator Jimoh Ibrahim talk say Naija suppose upgrade how dem dey gather intelligence and do security work, and say make dem use modern technology, especially for rural areas wey dey hard to reach.
Which occurred on the night of 13 June 2025, resulting in the tragic killing of over 200 innocent civilians, including women and children. Also notes that this unprecedented, tragic genocidal massacre at Yelwata was executed in a systematic manner never known before in the history of these attacks. Further notes, the accounts by survivors and rights organizations, including Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch, described the attacks as well coordinated and executed with impunity.
What we have today, I can liken it to say, like Benue, like Plateau, the same thing is happening in this axis. Apart from insurgency from the northeast and other places, over the years, we have been dealing with the same type of killings and massacre across this axis. And I'm only happy that last week, Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu did what I have been harping on each time this type of situation occurred, that the President and Commander-in-Chief is the one that will deal with the matter decisively. And last week, Mr. President did exactly that. He went to the local Sinquo and saw for himself and ordered security agencies, let's get them out. Let's get them out and deal with them. In less than 1 week, the IG of police had made his address. 26 people were arrested. At this morning, it has gotten to 53.
I think we need to go into the structure, the apparatus of security in Benue, and come up with some restructuring. It's not about deployment of military men and whatever alone. It is that we must use technology. And I'll be emphasizing this at the floor of the plenary, that the dimension of security policing and monitoring must change. It must fundamentally engage in, and we must deploy fundamental sophisticated equipment that the technology devices into management and monitoring of security. We can never do less. We cannot continue to, be in pains or share interminable inquests over the mistake of the past. Some of them are useful in historical context to teach us the way forward. And I think the way forward, as far as I'm concerned, is that this Senate, the 10th Senate, has taken fundamental step. One, to organize a security summit.
Senate President Godswill Akpabio talk say the attack na sign of state failure, and he lead the whole Senate make them observe 1 minute silence to honor the people who die. The Senate come pass a resolution wey get many important demands. One na say make federal government send more military people go Benue, especially Yelwata and other areas where they experience same wahala, to stop more attacks and bring back security.
They have no empathy. And to kill 200 people, even the young people that burned, these people were traveling in a bus that was marked at University of Zaria. Amaribelo University, Zaria. So I don't know how somebody will go and kill and burn down and even burn the bodies and burn the bus at the same time. I mean, this is as if we are losing it under any guise. But maybe investigation will find out why they did what they did. And I believe that with the instruction of Mr. President, the directives that the killers will be fished out, we will continue to work hard in collaboration with the President to make sure that Nigeria is safer than what it is today. The resurgence of insecurity in the country, I hope is not politically linked. Let me just hope that it's just the increase in terrorism and banditry. Otherwise, God will not allow those who are sponsoring these kind of things and financing these killings to go free. One day they will meet their end, but I hope very soon.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimoa, TMC News.